everyone, this is Divisha and welcome back to my channel. As I was getting ready for a shoot today and picking out what to wear, this happened. So we all have different color bottoms in our wardrobes, but these four are the most common colors found in everyone's closet. There's black, there's white, faded blue and dark blue. I was figuring out what to wear on top of it and I got confused.
How's this combination looking?
No.
And that gave me an idea to work on for this video. We all struggle with picking the right color combinations, especially people who are not related to fashion. So today, I'm sharing some of the safe color combinations with you all that everyone can easily pull off. So let's get started. So the first and one of the most safe combinations ever is red and black. It looks classy and effortless. Most importantly, any shades of red would go well with black, so you don't have to think much. Also, you can dress it up or dress it down accordingly. Next up is yellow and black. Any bright color like yellow and orange would always look great with black. It has a very bright, happy vibe to it and it definitely pops out, and that's why I like it. So a lot of people ask me what to wear with lighter shades of blue, and I'd say if you don't want to experiment, stick to this combination. It looks great and I think a light blue top goes best with black denims. Similarly, green goes best with black. And yeah, I'm not dancing, so ignore that. It can be very difficult for beginners to choose what to wear with a green top, so I would suggest go with black and it will look good enough. Here you can try darker shades of green also. I feel it's a pretty combination. Pink paired with black gives a fancy vibe and looks different. Black is a versatile color, so almost any color that you can think of goes with black, but these were my favorites and of course the safest combinations I could think of. Next up is a faded blue denim. It can be difficult to choose what colors to wear with this one, but I think navy blue looks perfect with it and do justice to these denims. It looks decent and it's pretty safe to try out. As I always say, black rules all. You can definitely try wearing a black shirt with these faded blue jeans and it would look pretty classy. Again, white denims are quite versatile, but in this case, you have to choose deeper shades or lighter shades to look presentable. I'd say don't go for bright colors. I'm wearing a maroon tank top with white denims and I love this combination. It looks formal and decent. You can also wear white trousers with a maroonish shirt for work and it will look great. I think it's a pretty combination and looks a little bit fancy. I feel any shade of pink would go with white, but in my opinion, lighter shades looks the best and you can try this combination for a casual outing. Now, this has to be one of my favorites. A dark color like navy blue looks perfect with white and stands out. This combination would look great if you are dressing up for work or even for a night out. was a little skeptical about this one, but I feel it looks pretty formal and you can wear this if you want that pop of color. On another note, I feel this combination would look better on girls. So to all the guys watching this video, try this for yourself and find out if it suits you. Apart from black and white, yellow also looks good with these dark blue denims. It's a versatile color, and also while working with yellow, make sure you choose the right shades that looks decent and you'll be good to go. I feel red is a safe color, and if you choose the right shades, it goes well with almost every color. It looks decent with blue also, and this combination is quite wearable too. This is a classic combination. It's again one of my favorites, and I would choose this color combination when I'm confused about what should I wear. It always works and it's quite effortless. I feel anyone can easily pull this off. As we all know, pink and blue goes hand in hand. This combination is quite safe and it looks pretty. You can go for brighter shades of pink as well, and it would look as good as this one. Last but definitely not the least, white looks the best with dark blue denims, and you can never go wrong with this combination. You can wear it to work or even for outings. It's perfect for every occasion.
So that's it for today's video. I hope it helped you guys, and also I shared my personal choice and my perspective of choosing the right color combinations, but you can always try it for yourself and see if it works for you. And also, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.